So we took one out, and there was 2 in there. And you hit press the potato button 2 times. Green beans. Ooh, that looks good. The fried fish cooking. Looks yummy. Bowl out for the fish. Ooh, this fish look good, y'all. 3 pieces of fish. Fish is done. Potatoes. Go ahead and unwrap it. Do like this. Take it on like that. Come out like this. Up for Hassan. And Hassan, your dinner is ready.
Thank you, Mommy. Thanks for making some fried fish and shrimp and some potato.
You're welcome.
Bismillah.
Bismillah. I hope you enjoy. Here go your napkin.
Thank you.
Here go your dinner, Heaven. I hope you enjoy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bismillah. I'm excited to try the potato.
You is. Bismillah. And here go my food. Good night, y'all.